Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. Meghalaya reports 2 more COVID-19 positive cases. Tally stands at 9 and 1 death. All patients are from the same family. No doctor, staff, inpatient have tested positive so far. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma visits Shillong Civil Hospital to review preparedness, says the government mulls setting up of 2 more COVID testing centres. Meghalaya government reaches out to women facing problems and challenges due to COVID-19 lockdown, urges distressed women to call helpline numbers. And amid coronavirus outbreak, confusion surrounds COVID-19 checkpoints set up along Meghalaya-Assam border in Jaintia Hills. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya reported 2 more COVID-19 positive cases late Thursday evening. Both the patients are family members of the first patient, says the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. With the new cases being reported, the total tally in the state stands at 9, 8 active cases, 1 death. The Chief Minister also informed that the government is also working tirelessly to ensure more tests are conducted, adding that the government is looking to get rapid test kits from different parts of the world. He said that the testing kits are arriving soon and the testing facilities in Negrims have been increased to almost 100 tests per day. Furthermore, he expressed gratitude to the government of Assam and the Institute of Assam for giving an additional of 50 more tests in a day to enable the state to have a capacity of 150 tests in a single day. On the criticism regarding the unpreparedness of the health department to deal with COVID-19 situation, Mr. Conrad said that the department is very much prepared and different kinds of SOPs and arrangements, mock drills and trainings have been done.
Given the current scenario, whether it's in the state of Meghalaya or within the whole country, the way forward is really to test more and more. And therefore realizing that we are ensuring that we are able to get these rapid test kits. We are also exploring the possibility of having pool tests, but in the initial stages, it will be very important for us to do the primary testing. The primary contacts have to be tested first. Negrims, the overall testing facility, has been increased to almost 100 tests per day, and we are thankful to Government of Assam and the institutes in Assam which have given us an additional of 50 more tests in a day.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday said that the state government is mulling to set up 2 more testing centres in the state and is awaiting the approval of ICMR for it. Talking to newsmen soon after visiting the Shillong Civil Hospital, which is a dedicated COVID-19 hospital, along with the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, Health Minister A.L. Heck, the Chief Minister said that a review meeting was held on the evolving scenario and took a stock of the situation. Giving an update of the action taken by the government to combat the pandemic, Mr. Conrad said that only way is to be proactive and do large-scale testing, and that the government is trying to come up with 2 or 3 more testing centres. He said that so far 100 tests are being done at Negrims and 50 additional tests at Assam. On the PIL filed at the High Court on preparedness level and the Meli at Jhalupara crematorium, and also on the directions issued by the court thereafter, the Chief Minister said that the points have been noted and they will look into it and take action accordingly. On tracing the main carriers of the virus to the state, the Chief Minister said that it is a challenging task and that the government is going to do what it can by identifying the primary contacts with the process, which the process is continuing.
And obviously we are working towards making another 2-3 centers, but it requires the ICMR and others to certify. So that is a process that's there. But at least we're lucky that in our state we have a center where 100 tests can take place, and that is helping us a lot in this situation. The Honorable High Court, whatever points are mentioned, will accordingly look into it and take.
The Meghalaya government late Thursday evening informed that 382 individuals, including doctors, staff and inpatients of Bethany Hospital, Shillong, have been tested since April 13, out of which 9 persons have tested positive, including 1 death. 246 have tested negative and results are awaited for another 127. It was informed that all the positive cases are family and domestic help of the first patient and none of the doctors, staff or inpatients at the hospital have been tested positive so far. Health Minister A.L. Hek has informed that out of the 8 positive cases, 7 are family members of the senior doctor who passed away on April 15th and 1 is a maid servant. Hek said that the health conditions of all the patients are stable and through the first case was unexpected, the government has moved quickly to convert Bethany into COVID-19 hospital. Meanwhile, in addition to the doctors and staff of Bethany Hospital, 5,092 individuals have self-registered themselves either through 108 or 1070 or through online registration. Of these, 4,622 individuals visited the hospital in Shillong after March 22nd on Bethany Hospital in Nongpo after March 30th. The Health Department has started contact tracing of the primary contacts of the COVID-19 positive patients and 140 such contacts have been identified.
Tracing now also there's also the surveillance committee. They are working to tracing out where the history came that the COVID-19 first it is coming to Shillong. So that they are working, the surveillance committees are working on this and we are looking forward soon they will be able to trace out the history.
The Meghalaya government through the One Stop Centre and 181 Women Helpline toll-free number will reach out to women who are in distress and affected by any form of violence in view of COVID-19 lockdown. The One Stop Centre scheme, which was initiated through Nirbhaya scheme, has managed to help women whose husbands are not providing financial support during the lockdown. It was informed that the 181 Women Helpline number is yet to receive any complaint from any female health worker or frontliners who are being stigmatized due to the COVID-19. Talking to DD News today, One Stop Centre Shillong Centre Administration, Jill A. Marbanyang said that the centre is trying to reach out or help those women who encounter various challenges in their homes, adding that such women can call on the number 8974011462. Meanwhile, Women Helpline Shillong Program Manager Elfida Dorling said that the helpline number attends or provide emergency response to women in distress and affected by violence, especially in this time of crisis.
In view of this outbreak, we have seen a lot in the news that a lot of domestic violence cases have been on rise. So any aggrieved woman and women who need help can dial this 3-digit number 181 to avail immediate response. So for more information, they can contact us at www.181meghalaya.in and they can email us also if they can't talk right now at help@meghalaya.in. Or else if they can't call us in the number 181 because of the jam, they can call us at 94-851-06181.
Following the outbreak of coronavirus in Meghalaya, West Khasi Hills is on high alert to prevent the spread of this deadly virus. Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills District T. Lingwa said that West Khasi Hills has registered 127 persons who came in contact with Bethany Hospital since March 22nd and all of them were not in direct contact with the first COVID-19 patient, but they are secondary contacts. He also informed that all of them are under home quarantine, while Dr. M. Bare, District Medical and Health Officer, West Khasi Hills District, said that since none came in direct contact with the first patient, no sample was sent for COVID test. She informed that the medical teams have advised them to adhere to the guidelines of the Health Department and that their health condition is being monitored from time to time. Having crossed 24 days since lockdown was imposed in the country in view of coronavirus outbreak, DD News travelled towards the rural areas in Jayanti Hills from Narthyang to Khanduli to get a clear picture of the life and hardship faced by the people from ground zero. As witnessed, the lockdown norms are strictly being followed by the rural folks. However, it was surprising to notice that there emerges confusion over the checkpoint set up along the Assam-Meghalaya border in Khanduli village. Khanduli headman Yoshida Nongspung informed informed that on March 24th, the COVID-19 checkpoint set up by the Meghalaya state government was removed and pushed back allegedly by representatives of Assam government. Representatives from West Karbi Anglong district had raised opposition stating that the place falls within the jurisdiction of Assam, but the Khanduli village authorities stood their ground. However, days later, representatives of Meghalaya government and the Meghalaya police shifted the checkpoint and moved back by 200 meters towards the village and near MLP battalion. The Saitsama police outpost and the present checkpoint was 1 kilometer away from the zero point, and the village head meanwhile, SB Xiangsai, in charge of Saitsama police outpost, clarified that the shifting of the checkpoint was done not because of the border but because of COVID-19 pandemic.
Ini dia yang ke state yang ini nungkat ng polis dan sedang checking hito yang kejut coronavirus COVID-19 sedang nakong hita hajan area cenong ini dan ini tidak hadin asni singitit hewan duran yang polis department one check yang ke sini tapi itu yang haju por ya be yo juru pon yang Meghalaya 1 kilometer tam ini atau jiskat teman yang ke state yang udah check hides tidak check ini
Hakasi lembaklah arfonya leni arfo prateri kumo bah demi ketika order berbeli order hadin waya kelami itu sar SP defensi uyanga wah ubek no isedin na ketuka tau ko jule kau ong men I hiti ubek no eheni ha marjan ha area yang kini ke battalion yang I ko em ko BOP yang I na kalian kami Meghalaya karena do ni ke sedang lek biang ika kani ka checking yang I ko sili ya kini ke border nado ko terik kamu yu fi hedon ni kasi em hini rangkat wa kajing em lang magistrate wa nakaliang medical team.
And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us, and from all of us here, it's good night.